There's a reason Corolla has been the definitive compact car in the US for over 50 years. Lots of reasons, actually. More than offering quality, dependability, and reliability, Corolla has consistently managed to also blend in fun-to-drive character and forward-thinking design. That's hard to do. Yet in 2023, the winning streak continues with a Corolla that is more dynamically capable, more technologically advanced, and more comfortable than ever before. This starts with an all-new lineup that includes the modern LE, the sporty SE, and the well-trimmed XSE. While Corolla Hybrid, with the most efficient EPA estimated fuel economy ratings in the lineup, broadens from 1 grade to 5, with the practical Hybrid LE returning, and a well-appointed Hybrid XLE and sporty Hybrid SE now joining it. What's more, both the Hybrid LE and the Hybrid SE are available with all-wheel drive for extra traction on slippery roads. Add in the latest Toyota Safety Sense and a new 8-inch Toyota Audio Multimedia platform, and this just scratches the surface. Here's a deeper look at how Corolla pushes what's possible even further. Though Corolla's modern and sculpted body lines make a statement throughout the lineup, the performance is just as impressive. First, every gasoline-powered Corolla now uses the more powerful 2-liter Dynamic Force engine that pumps out 169 horsepower, a 30 horsepower bump over. For 2023, Corolla's enhanced and updated exterior styling sends a purposeful message that's unique in the segment. The low, wide, and aggressive design creates a performance aesthetic with unique details subtly separating each grade. Corolla's new front fascia styling gets redesigned LED headlights on almost every model. LE arrives with a host of upscale features, including eye-catching available 16-inch alloy wheels. Meanwhile, SE and XSE step up this visual appeal with graphite-colored 18-inch alloy wheels and integrated dark gray accents. But whichever Corolla proves the perfect fit, LED exterior lighting is standard, including headlights, taillights, as well as daytime running lights. Inside, Corolla's driver-oriented cockpit offers high-gloss surfaces and soft-touch materials to create a perfect blend of practical and premium. Corolla's modern interior may be stylish, but it doesn't sacrifice on usability, of course. There's still seating for 5, along with conveniently designed latch locations that help with easy installation of car seats for children. It's roomy and comfortable, with heavily bolstered seats on the sportier SE and XSE grades, including contrast stitching on models with Softex trim. And let's not forget the trunk can hold more than enough cargo for your next epic road trip, even before flipping down the 60/40 split folding rear seats to really open up the cargo area. For 2023, Corolla is more technologically forward than ever. This all starts with Corolla's available 7-inch fully digital gauge cluster, which puts safety alerts and other important details right in line of sight. Its center console now houses a standard 8-inch touchscreen with the latest generation Toyota Audio Multimedia that includes standard wireless compatibility for Apple CarPlay, which connects drivers to subscription-based services like Apple Music, as well as Maps, Messages, and other favorite apps from the iPhone. In addition, wireless Android Auto compatibility makes it easy to stay connected to Android devices. Plus, there's a standard 3-month SiriusXM Platinum Plan trial subscription to more than 300 radio channels accessible throughout the country. And to make the most of all that tech, select models feature an available JBL premium audio system with 9 speakers and an 800-watt amplifier. Corolla can also be linked with trials to Toyota's available connected services, including Remote Connect, Safety Connect, Service Connect, Wi-Fi Connect, and on select models, there's also a trial to the all-new Drive Connect, which offers cloud navigation, destination assist, and intelligent assistant functionality. And there's also Corolla's available features, like automatic climate control, power and heated front seats, a smart key system, and more, all integrating seamlessly to make this a seriously high-tech compact. Beyond comfort and convenience, Corolla's onboard technology puts a big emphasis on safety too. For 2023, every Corolla has been upgraded to Toyota Safety Sense 3.0, a standard safety suite that takes the previous 2.0 platform to an even higher level, enhancing systems like its pre-collision system with pedestrian detection, lane departure alert with steering assist, full-speed range dynamic radar cruise control, lane tracing assist, automatic high beams, and road sign assist. For Corolla, TSS 3.0 also introduces a new system, Proactive Driving Assist. This system uses the vehicle's camera and radar to determine when to provide gentle braking or steering assist in certain circumstances. What's more, front and rear parking assist with automatic braking and adaptive front lighting are both available. And naturally, Corolla also features Toyota's signature Star safety system and 10 airbags throughout the cabin, including 2 rear seat-mounted side airbags. After diving into the details, it's not hard to see how the 2023 Corolla keeps the torch lit, carrying with it a world-class reputation for quality, durability, and reliability. Corolla has received plenty of accolades over the years. In 2022, Corolla received a 5-star NHTSA rating and was an IIHS Top Safety Pick Plus. Just a year prior, Kelley Blue Book gave Corolla a 5-year Cost to Own Award and Best Resale Value Award.